we're in a new construction. You're getting ready to start waterproofing for a shower. This is actually a tub hop-up, right?
Indeed.
We have our tub covered very well.
Valve already in place.
Valves in place.
All we need to do now is waterproof.
A new construction like this, where are you going to start?
Well, I'm going to start with checking all my walls to make sure they're level, plumb, even. Make sure they don't rock back here on this wall, because then it'll throw your tile off. And you'll have a lot of lippage on tile, and it'll just make it look bad. But once we get everything straight, put our Curdy board up.
This is your Curdy board. Lightweight. It's a foam board. Part of the Schluter system that we use to waterproof. If you're doing an inventory to make sure you've got everything right, you've got your board. This is your wall board. What else?
My niche.
There's the niche, and this is again a part of that Schluter system, right? All right, and sometimes we build them from scratch, but this is a pre-built.
Already waterproofed. Just got to tape in around the seams, taping mud around the seams, and on the corners where your board meets. Everything else is already waterproof.
Will you, as you're checking and making sure everything's plumb, level, square, will that go in first?
I will put it in first once I determine
where it
location. Goes. And I'll get that information from whoever.
Project manager.
Yeah.
Usually if we're doing it for the homeowner, we try to get them to buy off on the location. But I think they've already done that and established it. Follow and subscribe for more.